This 5-minute solution gonna show you how to use WhatsApp web on your Android phone. So as you can see in my Android phone, I have already installed my WhatsApp app and I'm already using an account in my WhatsApp app. Now I will show you how to use two different WhatsApp account at the same time using WhatsApp app and WhatsApp web. So first of all, download the WhatsApp app on your phone and sign into your first account. And now to use your second WhatsApp account on your mobile, go ahead and open a browser, and in your browser just type web.whatsapp.com and you will directly jump into web.whatsapp.com website. Now we have to enable desktop side. So tap on this three dot at the top right corner. And here enable desktop side. Once you successfully enabled desktop site for web.whatsapp.com, now here you will get the QR code to use WhatsApp web from your mobile. Okay, now I'm going to my another mobile. Going to opening my WhatsApp app and tapping on settings, tapping on linked device, and I'm going to scanning this QR code from my another phone. And as you can see, once the QR code successfully scanned on my Android phone, WhatsApp web I've successfully signed in. Now I can easily use my WhatsApp from WhatsApp web on my Android phone. I can easily open any chat or conversation. I'm going to enable portrait rotate and I'm going to rotating my phone, and here as you can see the result. So this is how we can use WhatsApp web on our Android phone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.